Welcome to BHS VLM Degree College, Davarpalli. So, in this session, I'm going to discuss about the paper is e-commerce and web design. This paper is belongs to first become computer applications, e-commerce, web design. Okay, so this paper is comes in the second semester as a e-commerce and web design. Okay, this paper is belongs to first become computer applications in the second semester. Okay, so in these sessions we are going to discuss about the e-commerce. What is e-commerce, advantage of e-commerce, nature of the e-commerce, and principles of the e-commerce. Already we have discussed in the previous classes in the first unit. So today we are going to today we are in the second unit. In the second unit we have to know the what are the online payment systems, what are the online payment methods, okay, and what is the digital signatures, and also what is the payment methods, payment modes. Okay, so these can be discussed in the previous classes. This can be discussed in the previous classes. So now I'm going to discuss about the topic is our today our topic is online banking. What is online banking here? Okay, so what is the purpose of the online banking? What is the advantage of the online banking are available here? Okay, so here. So today we are discuss about the online banking. What is the online banking? What are the advantages of the online banking? Okay, what we do in using the online banking? We have to see. Okay, so online banking is also called as a internet banking. It is also called as a internet banking. Internet banking. Okay, using online bank we have to use the internet banks. Okay, internet we have to use the banking systems with your username and passwords. Okay, so online bank is also known as the internet bank or e-banking, e-banking or electronic payment system. Concepts we call as internet banking, e-banking, electronic payment systems are also called as virtual banking. Is also called as virtual banking. So it is called as online banking. Online bank we are also called as these four types like internet banking, e-banking, electronic payment systems or virtual banking. So using online banking we can save the memory, we can save the time, our time. Okay, we can save our time. Okay, using online banking you can transfer the number of funds can be transferred here. Okay, so the online banking can be used in the different operations in various banking systems such as Union Bank of India or uh, State Bank of India or Bank of Baroda. These are called as a different situations are available in this banks are available here. Okay, so while we are using the online banking, we have to need the username and passwords. By using these two, we can manage our online banking systems with the help of the internet topic. With the help of the internet topic. Okay, so without the internet, we should not follow any online banking systems in the currently. Okay, so the banking online systems is very useful, very easy to manage our accounts to funds transfer or to withdrawals, to pay bills and to payments on online systems at different methods using the online systems. Okay, this is the very useful while you are paying bills at your home. So no need to go at your no need to go at any outside. You have to stay at your home and buy it items from the home very easily and necessarily. Okay, these four types of the internet banking, e-banking, electronic payment systems, and virtual bankings. Okay, you have to copy these four things. Okay, these are also called as online banking systems. Okay, Okay, so it is the one of the method to manage our accounts using the security with the help of the internet topic. Okay, so with this online banking, we have to manage manage our accountancy using the internet topic with very easily at your doorsteps here. Okay, so next topic is called as it. So here there is a first step for online banking. Okay, so if you want to using your online banking systems, you need to go your mobile or your PC. PC is the better, better understanding these all features. Okay, so in these features we are going to use your Google Chrome, and we have to select in the Google Chrome. We have to, if you are using the SBI account, you have to go SBI online. Okay, SBI online systems. So in this SBI online systems, you have to follow the further steps. Okay, so if you are not creating any online banking systems, so if you want to perform the online banking systems or virtual banking systems, you need to create your passwords and in passwords and username here. Okay, and also there is a very need of the mobile number which is linked with your bank at your bank. Okay, so in the sessions we are going to create your, first you have to create your SBI online banking. So you need to go your Google Chrome and open the Google Chrome and select here, and the search engines you have to create SBI online registration. SBI online register here. Okay, so in these sessions you have to create the username and passwords. Okay, so you need to use your passbook at you, and you have to follow these rules. Okay, okay. So in this case we have to enter account number, and branch. Branch means your home branch. Okay, your home branch, and enter IFSC code, and enter CIF number. CIF number. Okay, so if you don't know IFSCS code, you have to enter this. There is a special available here, IFSCS code getter here, and if I enter the IFSCS code and locations, in the locations there is a number of multiple blanks are available here. So in these sessions we have to select the only selected bank that is called your home branch. Okay, for example in the Arapalli we have two SBI branches. Okay, so in these two SBI branches, one is the only your home branch and another one is your other branch. Okay, that's why you have to select the home branch access code only. Okay, so you have to access code only. Okay, and access code. Later we have to enter CAF number. Okay, these details are available in your passbook. While you're creating the online banking systems, you need to place you take your passbook and place it at your side, and you have to create these statements using account number, branch, IFSC code, CF number, and so on here. Okay. Later we have to create the registration. Register. Okay, so if you having the username, if you having the already online banking systems, you need to enter username, password, and enter into your login accounts. Okay, but here there is a creations of the here that in this session you have to create a register new or in. Okay, so you have to, if you don't having the any account, you have to select the new. If you having the record, if you having the username password, you have to create, sorry, in. Okay, in the in you have to enter your username and passwords here. Okay, but here but our is but our aim is going to create the our registration. In the registration you have to select your password, and these the kinds of the details are given here, and you have to enter these statements. These statements you have to create your new account here. So in this new account you have to enter different kinds of the things are available here, and you have to fill it with your desired fields, and you have to create the username, especially username, and you have to create the passwords here. Okay, by using these passwords you have to manage your accountancy very easily. Account and accountancy is very easily, very attractively using this accountancy. Okay, so with the help of the username passwords, you have to manage your accountants, online banking systems or virtual banking systems or e-electronic payment systems, or it is also called as electronic payment systems. Okay, using this username password we can manage your account is very easily. We can manage your account is very easily with the help of this type of the uh, systems here. Okay, so next here, so the next topic is what is it? How to use online banking. Okay, how to use online banking. Okay, so using the online banking systems, we can manage your funds transfer. We can transfer the funds from your bank to another bank or same bank, whatever it may be. Okay, so we can, the main advantage of the online banking is used to funds transfer here. Okay, this is a very important transfer here. This process is very going very quickly and in your circumstances. Okay, and bill payments also one of the systems here. In this bill payment systems, you have to pay your bills, either phone bills or telephone bills or gas bills or tab bills or TV bills, whatever it means, you have to pay here very easily and understandably. Okay, very clearly. Okay, next we have to check the, we have to nail if your checkbook is finished, uh, you have to request checkbook for new year, and the pages coming, how many pages you have to need here. Okay, so initially every year the SBI account giving only 10 checks are free, and rather than you have to take the out of 10 you have to take any extra checks, you have to pay some amount here. So in this section, so you have to requesting for checkbook here, requesting for checkbook here, and the checkbook contains the number of pages based on your opinion. So you need to, the number of pages you have to enter the number of pages or number of checks are available here. Okay, so SBI giving only 10 checks for freely for customers only. Okay, rather than 10 checks you have to pay extra amount to the checkbooks only. Okay, so the next one is called as a manage debit card and credit card details only. Okay, so using online banking systems, we can easily manage the our debit card or credit card very easily and effectively. Okay, so in circumstances, you have to update the manage debit card and credit card details is very easily using the online banking systems. And also we have to use, there is a beneficiary details. Okay, so you need to enter the beneficiary details like name. So you have to enter the names, beneficiary names, name. So account number, account type, and details, account names, and IFSS code, branch, and so many things you have to enter here very easily to whose details are here. There is a beneficial details are very easily to added here and to manage here very efficiently and effectively manner. Okay, this is the how to use online banking systems here. Okay, total we have the funds transfers, and we have to use the bill payments, and manage the check and requesting the checkbooks, and manage the debit and credit cards here, and we have to add your beneficiary details like name, account number, account type, IFSS code, branch, and CF number, and those details can be, we have to be added very easily here. Okay, so the next topic is ways to transfer funds, ways to transfer funds here. So in these sections we are going to do what are the operations can be performed here. So using the online banking systems here. Okay, so same bank can transfer very easily. Okay, so we can transfer the banks very easily. Okay, we can transfer the funds in the banks are very easily, and using we have to use NEFT, RTGS and IMPS. Okay, so these are also very important while we are transferring the funds from one place to another place. So one place to one account to and different accounts. Okay, so using these accounts we can transfer the from one place to another accounts. So if you want to transfer the funds from your bank and you have to send your number of persons. So in this scenario, we have to use these kinds of operations can be performed here using the NEFT, RTC, and IMPS. Okay. So what are these NEFT, RTS, IMPS? These are also using these three kinds of the operations. We can also transfer the amount from one place to another place very easily. Okay. Based on your convenience, based on even opinion, you have to use this accounts NEFT, RTGS or IMPS here. Okay, so these timings are also very different, and these amounts will be also very different to transfer from one place to another place here. Okay, so in this section we have to use this code, the NEFT. The NEFT is one of the best operation for transferring the funds here from your bank to in different peoples. Okay, so these NEFT can be accessible only morning 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. only. Morning 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. only. It can be very useful while you're using this happening here. Okay, so that's why we are using these kinds of the these kinds of the these kinds of the systems here. Okay, so NEFT, what is this MPS? Okay, the NEFT is available morning 7 a.m. to evening 6:30 p.m. Evening 6:30 p.m. In this section, we have to maintain. We can can transfer from funds up to 1 lakh to 10 lakhs only. Up to 1 lakh to 10 lakhs only. Okay, and this can be taken a few hours to be amount should be credited other accounts from your account here. Okay, this can take few hours to do these operations. Okay, and this timing is also morning 7 a.m. to evening 6:30 p.m. is also available here, and we can transfer the funds from up to 1 lakh to 10 lakhs only. We have to change the we can transfer the amounts from here 1 lakh to 10 lakhs only. Okay, so coming to here, there is RTCS is also one of the available here, and in this section there is a morning 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. It is available. RTCS is available in the morning 8 a.m. to evening 4 p.m. only. Okay, in this section we have to manage your funds from 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs only. 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs only. Okay, then it can take 2 hours to transfer from one account to another account. It can take 2 hours, minimum 2 hours. It can take the time to transfer from one account to another accounts. Okay, the next one is called as IMPS, which is very important, very easily, and it is very going to instantly. That means instantly, it going very fastly, immediately it going to transfer the from funds to one account to another accounts here. Okay, this is the timing is also very easy, and it can be also available in the 24 hours by in 7 days here. Okay, there is no time restriction for doing uh, funds transfer here. There is a no time for doing fund transfer. That means all 24 hours can be accessible in the 7 days here. That means 365 days it can be also available here. There is a no time for festivals or holidays, whatever it may be here. Okay, you can transfer the amount from all at any time in your need here. Okay, but here, but we can transfer the amount from only limited amount can be transferred here. That is called 1 to 2 lakhs only. We can transfer the here. Okay, we can transfer from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs only. We can transfer using the IMPS. Okay, but this the best advantage of this is called as a very instantly. Okay, that means very immediately. Immediately we can credit debit our account to credit to another account very easily, and the limited people. That means very nearest people, the business magnates, that so many people are doing IMPS. Okay, so rather than we have to use the high UC amount of rather than 2 lakhs, it is not suitable for that apps only. It is not suitable for that app only here. Okay, so for this reason we have to use the IMPS here. Okay, so these are the best funds transfers. Okay, by using these kinds of the three things like NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS, it is very useful while you're transferring amounts from one place to another places using the your account. Okay, so these kinds of the accounts can be useful change for transferring funds here. Okay, so in this section NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, and NEFT is available in the morning 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. only. Okay, and here you can manage it, you can transfer the amount from 1 to 10 lakhs only, 1 to 10 lakhs only, and it can take a few hours. It can take a few hours will be taken to the process the NEFT transactions. Okay, and next one is called as the RTGS. RTGS is very useful while you are using the creating while you are creating the different transfer the different transactions. In this scenario, we have to send 2 to 10 lakhs only. Okay, and this is available in the morning 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. only, and it can take minimum 2 hours. It can take minimum 2 hours to complete their transactions. Complete their transactions. And the last one is called as IMPS. The IMPS is a very easy and fastest transfer here. So whenever we using the emit the send of money to another one, it is going very fastly. Okay, but the lower amount will be transferred here. That is minimum 2 lakhs. 1 to 2 lakhs will be transferred here using the IMPS. These times are they have as a no restriction to time here. All the times we can send the money from your account to another ones. Okay, so it is going very fastly. 24/7 days is also available here. That means 365 days will be available in this process. Okay, this is the class for online banking systems. Tomorrow I will give you another new lessons. Okay, thanks for watching this class. Have a nice day here.